Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Fiverr portfolio without paying. So as you can see, we are currently on our profile, and this gig, it can be our portfolio or it is our portfolio. And to boost it or to have a good portfolio, I'm gonna show you how to create one. So just click on switch to buying. After that, we'll be redirected here and you'll see all these interesting thumbnails like that, and depending on what gig you want, so let's just say youtube thumbnail youtube thumbnail, just like that. You'll be redirected here and you could see all of these designs and stuff. So you can see they're all pretty good and pleasing to the eyes. It can really catch your attention. So just scroll through all of them and see their commonness, or just see if there's anything different or the same. Look for what factors are the same or elements. So I feel like there's many blues here, some orange. So there's not much like, oh, there's green here, right? So there's not much like other colors, let's say purple or pink. So there's no colors like that, so you could start there. So just go here on canva.com. It's a free website, but you can go with Canva Pro, which offers more more tools and something to make your designs more good. And just search on youtube thumbnail, just like that, and you'll see this. So you could try this. Just customize this template, it's free. So you'll be redirected here, and let's say we'll make the background pink, just like I said, just like that, since pink wasn't common on the YouTube thumbnail in Fiverr. So something like that, make it somehow pink so that it's new to the eyes of others, like that, or something that. You can do that, so you could be different from others and people could catch you can catch people's attention with that. So after that, you could just simply download it, and after you have downloaded it, you could go to here, your profile, click on here. So after you're here, you could go through your gig, you could go to edit. Because here you could go to gallery, just fill out all these options, just save and continue. And after that, your downloaded thumbnail, just put it on your gallery so they could see your design, and hopefully boost your orders and give you great profit. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.